everyone. Today we're going to create some art that is inspired by the artist Andy Warhol. His style of art is known as pop art. He often used very bright colours in his work and he repeated images that made patterns. He also selected items including soup cans, everyday photos of celebrities and represented them in this style. And as you can see in this artwork that we're going to complete today, the image that we're going to use is that of a drink can. And there's different colours. It's represented in a way that is very complementary and harmonious. And in order to do that, we need to know something about the colour wheel and also some harmonies. So I've got a colour wheel example here. There are different combinations of colours that will help us today in deciding which colours to select in order to create different patterns and colour combinations in order to create our pop art. So some of the decisions that I made when I was creating this all came from this colour wheel. In this first example, you'll see that I've got in my background green, I've got purple, red and blue. In the colour wheel, you can see that these colours are opposite each other on the colour wheel. So I've got red and green, and I've got blue, and I've got like a reddy orange colour. And these are very harmonious together. In this example here, I've got primary colours, and these colours are also another nice combination that are really bold and bright and really look pleasing as well in this design. In this example, I also used colours that were opposite each other in the colour wheel. I've got blue and orange. I've got red and green as well, and these colours are opposite each other in the colour wheel. Something that you can also say about these colours when they are opposite, if they form different shapes, if it is rectangular, for example, if I wanted a red, purple, orange, blue and a green like this, that's like a square shape. And these combinations are also very complementary. If I wanted these two colours and these two colours together, that also would be complementary as well. If I wanted to do orange and yellow and purple and blue, we'd call that a tetradic combination, which is also very complementary as well. So we're going to use some oil pastels and a larger representation of this image, and we're going to use the colour wheel in order to determine the colours for this particular image. So I'm not really sure which direction I might go, but I'm going to have the colour wheel here. And I've got a packet of oil pastels here ready to go. So there are different things that I can decide. This would be my main image or main focus colour. So I might be thinking, okay, I might like orange. So if I choose orange, opposite on the colour wheel would be purple. So then I would have an element here that would be purple, so I could have purple. If I wanted to have a square shape, then I would then turn my colour wheel around and have a look at what other colours would go with yellow and purple. And I could have maybe, let's see, maybe not. Maybe I could go blue and green. That could work. Or maybe I could just do, maybe I might just do this combination here, red, orange yellow, orange, yellow, orange, blue, purple, and blue, green. I might just go with that and see how we go. Here. And here. Yellow, orange, I might have here. I might have light blue here. And then I have my purple as my background. Let's go with that. So I'll just colour this in and then I'll be right back. I've just got a few little spots that I just need to touch up, but that's the end of the colouring in. And as you can see, colours really pop, really bright, and really define the shape really, really well. And if I were to add this to the design, if I had it in a smaller scale, it would really, really complement what is already in place. So this strategy of choosing colours is a really great way to showcase pop art, and I hope that you'll give it a go. Experiment with different scales. So there's 4 to 1 page here. This is half page. You could even do a full page if you wanted to, and maybe even use some paints if you wanted to explore using paints. But go back to the colour chart and explore different combinations here if you're stuck, to create your pop art works and enjoy using the colour combinations when you're making your decisions. Thanks so much and enjoy creating pop art.